This question is from one gentleman who is not an Ahmadi. He said, I have noticed that many people do not slaughter animal for Qurban. They said they give some money instead. In his opinion, this is only charity, as ordinary charity. It's not Qurban. And he said in this way, there is danger that institution of slaughtering animal as a symbolically sacrifice for Qurban might be lost.
The question is that some people, instead of doing Qurbani, they just give some money as charity. So the fear is that the institution of Qurbani may not be totally forgotten and be lost.
Translate into Arabic. Now this is, I think, a misunderstanding on your part, on the part of whoever is the questioner. In the world of Ahmadiyyat, these things are happening only in many rich countries where it is not possible for people to sacrifice animals themselves. There are strict laws of the government which they have to follow. Now in that case, they send their money to the Jamaat, which is entirely used for sacrifices on their behalf in some poor countries. So it is not the institution of sacrifice which is being sacrificed. It is in fact, what's happening is in a way better than apparently could possibly be. Better in the sense that here, if they were able to sacrifice animals here, they would not find any poor people. So although it is not sadqa, but still the meat should be sent to people who need it. 1/3 of meat is separated for them. So what will they do with that meat? Who would they give? The next door neighbors would perhaps probably return it to them. What's this nonsense? We don't want any meat from you. So it is being spent where it is needed. Right?